Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the second lecture of PPSC preparation, we are going to discuss the basic merit calculation and overall marks in PPSC for selection. First of all, PPSC marks are distributed in three categories. First one is academic marks, second one is written test marks, and the third one is interview marks. Overall marks are 200 for PPSC. 40 marks are reserved for your academic marks. 100 marks are reserved for your interview marks, and 100 marks of written exam of PPSC are basically of weightage 50. That is, your obtained marks are divided by 2 to convert your marks out of 50. So 200 marks basically 190 marks are reserved for PPSC. Your interview marks are definitely 100, and that's the third procedure and the final procedure for your selection or your evaluation. First of all, you have to appear in written test marks. After that, your academic marks are calculated, and then interview marks are counted. How academic marks are distributed among your all levels, that is among your metric or O level, FA, FSC or A level, and then BA, BSc, MA, MSc. I am going to discuss the basic marks distribution of your academic 40 marks in all these levels. Basically, these 40 marks are differently distributed among these levels. For metric or O level, these are 5 marks out of the 40 marks, and FA, FSC or A level are having 7 marks out of these 40 marks, total 7 marks. Your metric is considered as of weightage 5, and your FA, FSC or A level is considered as of weightage 7. Then your BA, BSc is considered as of weightage 11, and MA, MSc as of weightage 17. So maximum of the percentage in annual system, if your obtained marks percentage is 80% or above in all these your academic levels, that is in metric or O level, FA, FSC or A level, BA, BSc, MA, MSc, then you obtain total 40 marks. That is the basic milestone of your merit. If you reserve these 40 marks, then you get a big edge in your interview. You can get a big edge in your interview. So if the percentage of your marks is between 75% to 79%, that's the criteria for annual system only, that I am giving you the marks distribution of the 40 academic marks that are counted in PPSC in all the exams of PPSC. So for metric or O level, these are 5 marks. If you get 75 to 79% marks in annual system, then your metric or O level will be of weightage 5, and FA, FSC, A level will be of weightage 7. Similarly, BA, BSc weightage will be 10 out of 11. So you will lose 1 mark here, and MA, MSc will be of weightage 16 for 75 to 79% marks. So finally you will get for 75 to 79% marks, if you have in all of your academic levels, then your total aggregate of your academic marks will be 38. Okay, now if you have your academic percentage marks in all levels between 70 to 74%. Then metric or O level will be of 5 marks, FAFSC or O level will be of 6 marks, BA BSc will be of 10 marks, and MA MSc will be of 15 marks. So you lose here 2 more marks and the total aggregate will be of 36 out of 40. For 70 to 74% marks in annual system in all your academic levels, then you will attain marks 36. If you have 80 or 80% above in one academic system, then you will get full marks in that academic system, and similarly as per criteria I am explaining. For 65 to 69% marks, you will get 4 marks in metric or O level, 6 marks in FA FSC or A level, 10 marks in BA BSc, and 14 marks in MA MSc. So you will get overall 34 marks out of 40 if you have your all academic levels marks percentage between 65 to 69%. And now if you get your marks between 55 to 59%, then your metric or O level will be of 3, and FA FSC or A level will be of 5 marks, and BA BSc will be of 9 marks, and MA MSc will be of 13 marks, and thus overall 30 marks you will attain. Okay, overall 30 marks you will attain. And if your marks percentage in annual system is between 50 to 54% in overall all the levels, in metric or O level you will attain for 50 to 54% marks 3 marks, in FA FSC or O level A level you will attain 5 marks, in BA BSc you will attain in 9 marks out of 11, in MA MSc you will attain 11 marks out of 17. Okay, and thus you will attain 28 marks out of 40 marks. If your marks percentage will be between 45 to 49% for annual system, then in metric or O level you will attain 3 marks, in FA FSC or A level you will attain 5 marks, in BA BSc you will attain 8 marks, and in MA MSc you will attain 10 marks, and thus you will get 26 aggregate academic marks out of 40. If your marks are between 40 to 44%, then for metric or O level you will attain 3 marks, FA FSC or A level you will attain 5 marks, BA BSc you will attain 8 marks, and MA MSc you will attain 9 marks, and thus total of 25 marks you will attain. And for 39 and below percent marks you will attain in metric or O level 3 marks, FA FSC or A level 5 marks, BA BSc 7 marks, and MA MSc 9 marks, and overall 24 marks out of 40 marks of academic marks in PPSC you will attain. Thus your marks percentage will affect your merit a lot. For example, if you have 80% or above marks in metric, then you will attain metric or O level you will attain 5 marks. If you have 75 to 79% marks in your FA or FSC or A level you will attain 7 marks. If you have 65 to 69% marks in your BA BSc, then you will attain 10 marks, and if you have 60 to 64% marks in your MA MSc, then you will have 14 marks, and accordingly by adding all these marks your academic merit will be determined. Also for qualifying written test exam, minimum is 40% marks, that is you must have to attain 40 out of 100 marks for qualifying the written test of PPSC. As far as the interview is concerned, 50% marks is mandatory. If you don't achieve 50% marks, then you will not qualify interview. And as you know, only 3 chances you can avail during PPSC exam for any post. So if you pass the written test exam and also you qualify the interview, that is you obtain 50% or above marks, then your chance will not be wasted. You can attempt more than 3 times. If your chance is not wasted, then that chance is not wasted. So in spite of that chance, you can also avail 3 attempts. And total 190 marks are overall for recommendations, and out of that marks you have to attain maximum marks. As you can understand that your